Dear learners, I am M.Sc SADIQ. Today I would like to draw a new topographical route and again with another road closed. And the name of closed road here in this question is LILLIE Road. So LILLIE Road would be considered as a closed road in this topographical exam question. But please note that today I would just like to draw the topographical route with the road closure without much explanation. But don't worry, if you are interested to watch my detailed videos, please go to my channel, YouTube channel, Noman SADIQ. So spellings are Noman, then space, then SADIQ, and you could watch the videos in detail. Now please note that this is total topographical assessment screen and this is the question window and there is a note clearly written for road closure. So always read the question for road closure. So if there is a note for road closure, then you have to search that road between green and red marker. And in that case, you would not be allowed to go through that closed road or you would not be allowed to cross that road as well. And if you do that, you will be getting 0 marks. Now I will start drawing my route. So first of all, I will press this button which is called as start drawing button like this. So I have pressed it and the same button now has become stop drawing button. And it is always recommended to press stop drawing button when you finish drawing your route. And now I will show you only this portion of topographical interactive screen so you could understand this route very well. And you would be able to see the minor details as well. So here you go. This is topographical interactive screen. You can move it up or down. You can zoom in or zoom out as well. This is start drawing button which is always green and this is red marker which is always the end marker. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to find out the road which should be considered as a closed road and always remember it will be between green and red marker. And the name of that road is LILLIE Road. So we will make it bigger, zoom out and try to find out between green and red marker. So it is very close to the green marker. So see, this is LILLIE Road. So LILLIE Road is starting from here and it is going and it is up till this point. So LILLIE Road starts from here and it is ending at this point. And what does it mean? It simply means you would not be able to go through this LILLIE Road either from this way or from this way. Also, you would not be able to cross this road. So if you are coming from here, you would not be able to cross because this is LILLIE Road and LILLIE Road could not be crossed as well. And please note, TFL not show you this road as a closed road. It will not be closed in the map. You have to consider it as a closed road. It simply means we have to avoid this road. What does it mean? It simply means that we have to take some alternate route which will not go through or pass through this road. So let's draw. So first of all, you have to plan your route. So I have already planned this route. So I will simply draw this route for you. So I will zoom in and first of all, I will let you know my planning. So if I go through this road, then again there is a LILLIE Road. So you would not be able to go through. So what does it mean? I have to take this way through the small streets like this. I could come like this or I could go from here and then anyway from here I would be able to join this main road. That is A road. So I will start from here and make it bigger. That is zoom in and start and keep my route. Sorry for this message. I will start it again. I will zoom in like this. I will make it maximum bigger as it is a small street. So I will draw like this. I will keep my route towards the left hand side of the road and I will go like this and keep my route towards the left hand side of the road. And where I have to go, I have to approach at this road A219. I have already told you, you can take another route, like you can go from here, and ultimately you would be able to reach here. But I will take this route, and remember, this is a roundabout. Never miss this roundabout. If you will miss this roundabout, TFL will see, and then you would be able to lose few marks. But here some people do like this. It is totally wrong. The reason is, if you draw the route like this, then there will be a problem. You are not keeping your route towards the left hand side of the road. So this is very important point to note. So when you reach at this point, how will you continue your route? So if you draw like this, I intentionally draw my route like this. So what I will need to do is, I will undo this route like this, then up till here I will make a curve, then I will move through this road and keep myself towards the left hand side, then I will come here on this road, and here this is one way. Even it is one way, try to keep your route towards the left hand side of the road like this. So this portion, to draw this portion, is very important. So here, when I will reach here, please go like this. Here, and at this point, these two colors are mixing. So it means the small route or small road is actually merging the big road, like this A road. So now I have turned right and I am moving like this. Now I will simply continue drawing my route like this, and here you go. Again, slowly, I am trying to do it slowly so that you could understand it better. So I will draw the route and continue my route like this. But remember where the end point is. So end point is here. So what I need to do is, this is a Hammersmith flyover and there is a roundabout underneath. So what I will do, I will go through and keep my route under this flyover and continue through this road, and ultimately I will be able to reach at this point. When I will reach at this point, then I will explain you further. So first I have to reach and go through the Hammersmith flyover, that is underneath. So here this is the flyover and I have to keep my route under this flyover, and there is a roundabout actually underneath. So I am going through this roundabout which is underneath the Hammersmith flyover. So I am going like this and I am trying to continue and keeping my route towards the left hand side of the road. So this is no problem if this type of things come on the way. So like this, you can continue your journey or you can continue drawing your route like this. So no problem at all. When you will reach a certain point like this, I am here now. It's one way, but try to keep your route towards the left hand side like this. Okay? And then I will continue my journey here on this road like this. Some people go from here. That is not wrong, but this is better and the shortest way. Again, I will continue my journey like this here. So here again, now I have reached at this point. So next point and next route is very tricky, as my end point is here. So if I turn left, what will happen? I will come here, but I would not be able to go through or cross this because this is a central reservation line. So if I coming from here, there is no way to cross here. If I cross here and go and reach at this point, it will be 0 marks. So what I need to do is, if I continue and come here and take a U-turn and come and reach at this point, it is also 0 marks because U-turn is not allowed. But there is another way. If you are coming from here, you can come here and then here and from here you can turn right. This is not U-turn, so you can do that. But I will not recommend this. I will pass through this flyover and then I will take this small street, and then here I can't come like this, but if I go further and come like this, and from here I would be reached here ultimately. So I would like to prefer this route. So here you go. Again, I will continue my journey from here like this. When I reach here, I will make it bigger and keep my route towards the left hand side of the road like this. Okay. Then again, I will try to continue my route like this. Here, I will make it bigger. Always remember, if you are in a street, try to make it bigger. And always divide your planning into steps. So always draw your route stepwise, because some people complain that when they draw, they don't see the end point. So it is always recommended to plan your route and do your route and draw your route stepwise. So here, first I will reach here, then here, and ultimately at this point. So what does it mean? I will go like this, here, and then I will come like this, and I will be able to reach at this point here. Now I am very near to the end point. Again, here, this is underground tunnel, so don't worry about that. It is not a road closure. So I will keep my route towards the left hand side, and here I have touched the end point. So now I have completed my route, and the LILLIE road was closed, and I have not entered into the LILLIE road like this. You can see LILLIE road is starting from here and it is ending. So I have not entered, or I have not crossed the LILLIE road. So always check your route at the end for the closed road as well. So whether you have passed or not. This is number one. Also, I will recommend to check your route always at the end for left hand side and right hand side, because sometimes some people draw the route and keep their route towards the right hand side, which is, if you do like that, it will be 0 marks. So always remember that. Now I have completed this route, and now I will press stop drawing button. So this is full interactive topographical exam screen. So now I will press stop drawing button, and when I have pressed it, the same button has now become start drawing button. Now you could press next button and go to the next question. And that's the end of today's presentation. Thank you very much.